Is it a key card?
Wow, my ears are popping.
Same here.
Exactly, yeah.
These are super fast. This is the second bank at Fulbright Tower.
Oh, look at the buttons. The original Otis Lexington.
Oh wow, I see
Want to go out
that.
and press it? Here, hold the door, please. Oh.
Okay, let's do it.
Oh. It's the same one.
Let's just go back down to
Yeah, let's go back down. For a second, I thought that was another rooftop elevator.
Yeah, same here.
Installed in 1982.
Yeah.
Oh, nice. That's awesome.
Pennzoil Place actually has a rooftop elevator set.
I just looked it up.
Oh, nice.
1982. Nice.
Mhm.
Nice.
So these got to be modernized in like sometimes in the 2000s,
Probably.
and the whole building was like renovated. Sometimes in 20 or like late